Hey guys, welcome back to QA testing keyboard, I guess. I'm so bad at it wording. So we're gonna make sure testing that all the switches are input correctly without bending, the key working and as anticipated. So as you see, what I have right now on the screen is that press on the key, if it register on here, which means the key work and switch is working fine. So yeah. Lo-fi started. Let's just get right into it. So we're just gonna do this. Perfect. Oh, yeah, it does that every time when I hit. So that worked, knowing that this worked. Just trying to take a screenshot. I love the sound of this. Actually, it's really nice. Okay, I'm getting better and better at this. Look at that. So that's a Windows sign, key sign. Well, it doesn't have an FN, but there's the FN. That's the. According to the box, that is a menu sign. So that's why when you press it, the menu popped up. But yeah. So each bare bone as I build and learn. This is also I'm learning as well because I'm not expert on doing all this. I am learning as well. Is that different bare bone have different layout sometimes or something how we register things. So then cool. All right, everything worked. Nice. Okay, everything worked. Of course, like there's no mute or lock button here, but we have to press here for the mute, the sounds and stuff. As you can see, I'm adjusting the volume. Hey, I'm getting better. There's no switches that broken underneath. Awesome. So right now we're going to do a quick tight. We're going to do 60-minute. I think that matter. Does it matter? I don't think that matter. Maybe it's different. I don't know. But okay. So we're gonna do a little type test and oh. Okay. Turn it off. We're just going to turn off the lo-fi and then right. I'll be quiet. okay, pretty good. I don't know what consistency is, but yeah. So this is actually a short video because there's not a whole lot of fix on here. Turned out pretty amazing. Yeah. I'll probably take like a fine. And again, I just said in the last video, the build video is I will replace the escape for something football, NFL related. So yeah. I hope you guys liked the video. Enjoy the relaxations, ASMR typing, sound testing. Yeah, leave a comment of you know, what your typing speed like, you know, and subscribe if you haven't. That would greatly help the channels out, and of course give us a thumbs up. That would be amazing. Appreciate you guys stopping by, watch the video, and yeah, hope you guys have a great one, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.